how to make microwave fortune cookies. Fortune cookies are perfect for parties, but they are also perfect for Valentine's Day. And I know you're going to ask me if you can bake in the oven. Yes, you can. So I hope you like my idea, and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Print out your favorite fortune cookie sayings. Mine are from the birthday card that my darling gave me in 2003. Now you need melted butter, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, then mix well. Now add 1 egg white and mix well. Sift in flour and mix well. I know now your question is if you can make chocolate or green tea flavor. Yes, you can. You just need to add cocoa powder or matcha green tea powder together with the flour. Draw circles on a paper and make a template. Place it on a microwavable plate. Place the parchment paper on top. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of the mixture. Use the back of the spoon to spread out the mixture. Then remove the template and microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Microwave cooks cookies really fast and they can easily get burned. Cooking time differs from microwave to microwave. So you want to test 1 or 2 cookies to find the right cooking time for your microwave. Now quickly place your message and fold in half. Then bend the cookies over the edge of a cup. You need to work with the cookies while they are hot before they cool down and get stiff. So it's better to make 1 or 2 cookies at a time. And it is better to wear gloves if you have. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial.
So let's see what I've got here.